Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and my today's session is on a very important but very simple to operate tool. So without wasting any time, let me demonstrate how it works. The name of the tool is, again, let me tell you the very important feature. It's a feature of shuffling the questions, shuffling the options, which really make this tool a very special one. And secondly, in this tool, a teacher also need not to create any account. Neither teacher nor student need to create an account. So it's very easy to operate. And the name of the tool is TestMoz. This is TESTMOZ.com. TestMoz.com. Directly into the site. Now see here on the window there are so many options. Login, sign up. As I told you, there is no need to create an account. Directly go to build a test. When you go to build a test option, this window will appear. Now here you need to give the name of the test. Suppose the name of the test is, say, rehearsal. I am just giving a rehearsal, or say uh, general knowledge. Right? Now you have to choose a password. It's up to you whether you create a password using letter and numerics, or only numerics, or only letters. That is up to you. So I am just giving the password to it. Retype the password, whatever you have entered in the previous box, and start create test. Now when you click create test, this window will appear, which has all the features of this test. And the first one is, see, at 0 point, this is 0 because you have already created a password, so this part is over. Now the next is adjust settings. This is the thing which makes this tool a wonderful tool. See, the test name is general knowledge. Introduction. In introduction you can write, this test is based on general awareness. This is about the tool. That's it. Now below it, color scheme. Now whether you want to keep this color or this color or this color, I am just selecting the last one. That's it. Just move down. Question setting. Now see, there are two options: show all the test questions on one page, or show one question per page. Let me tell you, when a student is responding to such type of quiz, then for him or her, the second option is better, showing one question per page. Okay, see, automatically the default settings are given here. No need to change this, just let it be there. Now review settings. See, conclusion. Now in conclusion you can write, well tried. Okay, this much only. Whatever you message you want to type at the end of the test, you can give. So well tried, this is over. Access control, as I said, sometime you don't need to change the password or the coding they have given. Anyone, see, now who can take your test? Anyone who enters a passcode, or anyone who enters a unique identifier, or anyone who enters an email address from a list that I specify. So this is up to you whether you want to secure your quiz by using a passcode or a unique identifier or an email address. That is up to you. So anyone, if you want to keep all these three, then you can, this is a checkbox, you can take here also. So it is case sensitive. You have to enter a passcode. Now you give a passcode to it. Say my passcode is online. Okay. Now time limit. This is a wonderful feature. You can limit. Suppose there are 10 questions. I think 3 minutes are more than sufficient. How many times can someone take your test? Only one. Otherwise manipulation is possible. Leave the rest of the part as it is and save. Now you are just saving the settings. Now here, this is the question window where you are going to create your quiz. In insert, click, see, when you click insert in drop down menu, the number of options available with this tool are given. Multiple choice, choose many, true, false, matching, fill in the blanks, essay. So let's try each and every one now. So this is the question part, where you need to write, who is the CM of Delhi, right? So choice 1, I am writing choice 1, C A J Jen, like this, Sisodia, say Arvind Kejriwal, or in option 4 you can give none, so that is up to you. Now this is multiple choice question, this part is over. Now you have to click the correct answer. As I said, the correct answer is Arvind Kejriwal. Click it, automatically it will be saved. Now here 1 point, if you want to give 2 points for this, go for it. Now move to the next question, insert. Now this time I am interested in using this option, that is matching. So in matching, this is column A and column B, right? So in column A, I am writing the state, and I am just keeping 3 options only. These are the states and I am writing the capitals here. Okay, so say Jaipur, Lucknow, say Bhopal, and this is better, it would be better if you give more options in column B, otherwise guessing is possible. Say Indore, right? These are examples only. So now you have to give the correct answer to it. Now for the first one, the correct answer is third. For the second one, the correct answer is say 1. And for the third one, the correct answer is 2. So this part is over. This part is saved. Similarly, you can go for true false type, matching type, fill in the blanks type, or essay type. So you can try all these things one by one. Now the next thing is, after completing all these things, the next thing is publish. Go to publish. Now see, preview your test before publishing it. Just preview, okay, whether how this test appears. This is student login, preview. Now what you are going to share, this test is based on general awareness. Now what you are going to share with your student, this part, see, testmos usercontent.com /q /375104. This you need to copy it and paste it somewhere, paste it in some Word file, because you are going to share this link with your students through which they will be attending the quiz. Okay. So continue. Now continue. Now MP, the first option is say Bhopal, and Rajasthan the correct option is say Jaipur, and Uttar Pradesh the correct option is say 4. Submitted. This is one question per page. Now who is the CM of Delhi? Say Arvind Kejriwal. Finish it. This test is finished. This test is finished. Now log out. Okay, log out. Now this test is over. Administration. See, now admin password is required. The password which we have given initially. Okay, this is the now result. I am interested in seeing the result. Since the test is not published yet, so you cannot see the result. That was just a preview. So go to publish and click the publish button. Okay, now this is the code which you need to share. This is the code which you need to share, and this is the passcode which students will be entering. So I am just taking this test as a student. Click it, enter the code, press enter, enter your name, say Akash, passcode, as the passcode given by me was online. So this is online, start. Now when you start, this test is based on general awareness. Continue. MP, the capital is say Bhopal, or Rajasthan, the capital is say Jaipur, or Uttar Pradesh, the capital is 3. Submit it. Now the second question here is say Sisodia by mistake, some student has ticked. Finish it. From student side, this test is over, and immediately he can see or she can see the score obtained by him or her. Now, as an administrator, I am interested in seeing the result. So go to the result column. See, this is the result. Akash scored 33% and the test was started on 4th of June, finished on the same date, and the time taken was 17 seconds only. Now here you can see view export to point grid response. When you export to point grid, this test will be published in the form of, see, point grid. This test will be published in the form of MS Excel sheet, and here is the sheet. So you can get the record of all the students on a single MS Excel sheet. So this is a wonderful feature of this test, and it's very easy to operate. So sometimes you don't need some heavy names for conducting a test. Such type of test can be very handy in maintaining interest among your learners. So see, this is the result, and this is the, so keep exploring it. This is all from my side, and this is a wonderful tool. I hope you enjoyed it.